Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on another pattern. For the pattern you need to have multiple of 24 plus 2 for edges. What we have to do for setup row, we are going to pull all stitches. For the big project you have to have a marker between these 22 stitches, and then it's gonna be easy to follow the instruction for knitting. This is the setup row. You have to pull all stitches, and for the pattern we need to repeat 6 rows. This is the row 1. Just take the first one as the edge. The next 2 we are going to just change like a cable for 2 stitches from back side and knit. Oh my god, just knit them, then knit 1 stitches. We repeat again by making back side cable only for 2 stitches, knit these 2, then knit normal 1. We repeat again 1, 2, knit, and we repeat again 1 or 2. As you can see here, I should have 11 stitches, except this one from edge 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Now for the next 11 stitches, we are going to do front cable. It means that after the one in the middle, don't knit 1. Start from for the next 2 stitches front cable by just change the 1 like this, then knit 1. We repeat again for the next 2 stitches. Then again knit 1, repeat 1, 2, knit, and for the next or last 2 stitches just we do it again. And last one as an edge. As you can see here, also I have 11 stitches in the other side. Row 2, what we have to do, we take the first one as an edge. We are going to pull 1, then we skip the next one. We repeat by pull 2, skip 1, pull 2, skip 1, pull 2. When it comes to the middle of the job like that, we are going to skip 2, 1, 2. Again, pull 2, skip 1, pull 2, skip 1, pull 2, skip 1, and just pull 1, and the last one as a edge. Row 3, we just take the first one, then we knit the first stitches. As you can see here, I have these 2 stitches. I start again by make cable from the back side and just knit them. 1, 2, knit 1. Repeat. Knit 1 and we do the last one like this and knit 1. As you can see here, the pattern starts from the corner and goes to the middle. When it comes to the middle of the work, we are going to knit 1, 2 and 3 like this. Now it's time to do it the front side. As you can see here, these stitches has to be changed with this one. Then knit 1. These stitches. Just make sure these stitches should look like that. And let's do the knit 1 and do the last one. As you can see here, like the one we started in the first row, in the beginning of the row, you have to have 1 stitches, just you have to knit. This is the end of row 3. Row 4, we are going to start by knit and pull 2, skip 1, pull 2, skip 1, pull 2, skip. When it comes to the middle, we are going to pull 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then pull, then skip, pull 2, skip, pull 2, skip 1, and the last 2 just pull and the 1 like an edge. Now we are going to go in row 5. As you can see here, the pattern starts. For row 5, we are going to knit the first 2 stitches. As you can see here, this one, it's time to make a cable again. Knit 1 for the next one. We do it again. Knit 1 and the last one. Now you are in the middle of the work, just knit these 2 stitches and it's time to do these 3 by make it a cable in front. Knit 1, one, 2, knit 1, knit 1, and like At the beginning you have 2 stitches, you are going to have 2 stitches, just knit them and finish the row. Row 6, what we have to do, we are going to knit 1, skip the first one, then pull 2 stitches, skip, pull 2, skip, pull 2, skip, pull 2, and repeat. As you can see here, just only one left, skip the last one and the edge. The pattern should look like that. This is the end of row 6. As you can see here, the pattern starts from to the corner and comes to the middle. And what you have to do in this row, let me just make another row for you. Like row 1, you have to start by making cable with 1. You can see here these stitches, it has to do it this way, with 1, knit 1, and the last one, looks like that. Now it's time to make the other side by make it front cable, knit 1, and the next one, knit 1, and it's time to create the new stitches like that by make front cable like this. If you repeat row 1 to row 6, after few rows you are going to have the pattern like this. As you can see here, in this pattern I make 2 and I put the marker between these 22 because it makes easy to follow the instruction. Or if you need one more pattern like that, you can use another marker here and you have 3 or 4. It's really easy and it's not gonna be a problem. This is the front side and this is the back side of your work. That's all. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to push the notification button for the next video. Thank you for watching again and have a great day.